Sarah. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make super cute DIY fidget toys. I'll be showing you guys how to make a pop-it fidget, paper squishy, stress ball, and more. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. I'm super duper excited to show you guys how to make them, so now let's start. For the first fidget toy, you'll be needing 2 to 3 keychain rings and some beads of your choice. Get these rings from some keychains that you might have or like binder rings. The first thing you're gonna do is take your keychain ring and open it up. Then place your beads on your loop in any order you'd like. Once you're done, you will take your current ring and hook it onto another ring, just like this, and close it shut. And then open up that other keychain that you just added, then put in some of those beads into it as well. Then repeat these steps on the last ring. Once you completed doing the whole process, you're officially done with your fidget toy. You can move around your beads and have a lot of fun with them. Personally, I love the sound that they make. Like, the sound of beads really satisfies me. I'm definitely rating this fidget a 10 out of 10. It also looks super cute. For the next fidget toy, we will be making a DIY pop-it. You'll be needing a sheet of paper, some scissors, a Sharpie, or any markers of your choice, a glue stick or tape, and some googly eyes. You can use as many googly eyes as you want. I'm using 2 because I'm going to make a cute little frog out of my pop-it. The first thing you're going to do is decide what you're going to make. It can be some kind of shape or item. I'm going to be drawing a frog, so just draw whatever you're making on a sheet of paper. Once you're done tracing, you're just going to go ahead and cut out your shape. Next, you will take your googly eyes and glue them on anywhere you want on your shape. By the way, if you don't like that your googly eyes has that like black thingy inside that makes it an eye, you can just go ahead and paint over it and then glue it onto your object. And after you're done, it is now time to decorate, my favorite part. So what I'm gonna do is obviously add like the froggy features, because right now it's just some kind of random blob with some googly eyes. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and make my blob a frog. And once you're finished, you should have your final product. Now, since mine is a frog and the eyes are basically the poppets, you can basically play with it all day and at the same time look at it because it looks super adorable. Also, they're googly eyes, so like if you go like this, kind of looks really cool. So yeah, here you have your DIY pop-it fidget. For the last fidget toy, we will be making a water snake, and for that, you will need a plastic bag, some add-ins such as like food coloring, glitter or sprinkles, and some tape and water. The first thing you're gonna do is take your plastic bag and fill in a little bit more than 1/4 of water into your bag. I would say about like room temperature water. I filled in about this much. Then you will take your food coloring or paint and pour in 1 to 2 droplets of it. Oh my gosh, guys. Satisfying that looks. And that will make your water snake nice and colorful. Then just like mix it around. Look how cool that looks. That is why I love this fidget toy. And of course you can add all of your add-ins that you want. I will be adding some of this super cute pink glitter and these super cute Fimo slices. And last but not least, this like butterfly cake charm. Once you're done, you will very gently and carefully try to take out all of the air that is in your bag. Then seal your bag very quickly and very tightly. What you will do is start from the top, roll your bag down just like this, until you've reached the end and it can't come any farther. And then carefully tape these 2 together. Make sure it is very secure, and once you're done, you are complete with your water snake. Now you can go and play with it, and look how cute this looks. I love the purple color, and the add-ins are just so adorable. It is super holdable and very fun to play with. And if your bag is leaking, just make sure to seal it with some tape. For the next fidget toy, you'll be needing a small plastic bag. You can choose any size you want, some glue, and this is optional, but you can also use some food coloring, paint, or some glitter. The first thing you're gonna do is open up your clear plastic bag and take your glue. You can use white glue or like a glue wall or a little bit of the glue inside. Once you finish, you're gonna take some food coloring and put a few droplets of it into your bag. That should be good. And then close it really tightly. Okay, this part is so cool. Basically, just mix around the food coloring with your fingers. Once again, you are going to open your packet and pour in your glitter. Then just seal it tightly again. And after you're done mixing in all of your add-ins, here you have your final product. Super duper cute and pretty fidget toy. Basically squish it and move around your glitter. It's like a beautiful mini stress ball. I would definitely recommend this fidget and rate it a 10 out of 10. For the last fidget toy, you'll be needing some beads, or you can use marbles, and a balloon. So basically what you're gonna do is grab a plastic bottle, or just any bottle you want, and then pour the beads inside. Once you're done, you're gonna go and take your balloon and put it over the top. And then dump the bottle so the beads can come into the balloon. Once you're done adding in all of the beads, you're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water. And once you're done adding in the water, just simply tie your balloon. And once you're done tying it, you have your final result. Now you can squeeze it, and it'll be like a massage, and it is super duper fun to play with and squeeze. This also makes great ASMR. And yeah guys, that was the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below which one was your favorite and which one you tried. I think my favorite was probably this Froggy Poppy Poppet Fidget because it is just so cute and very fun to play with. I'm going to rate each of these fidgets a 10 out of 10, and I would definitely recommend each of them. Comment down below if you want to do more of these fidgets, and like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!